We are visiting a space museum near Moscow. It contains an incredible record of Russia's history of space travel. There are many things to see and do at the museum. You can touch the capsule in which Yuri Gagarin became the world's first cosmonaut. You can see the Vashod 2 spacecraft that Alexei Leonov left behind when he made the first spacewalk. You can also view a space kitchen, a space shower, and even a space toilet. If you want to know what it's like to be in space, then this is your chance to find it out. You can enter a replica of the Mir space station and sit in the crew commander's or the flight engineer's chair. When you enter a descent module of the Soyuz spacecraft, you can operate many of the important control handles. You will feel just like a real cosmonaut, floating in space, ready for re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. Going around the Space Museum is really fun, and it shows how far space travel has come in the last 40 years. Vocabulary: capsule, spacecraft, spacewalk, view, find out, replica, crew, descent module, operate, float. Maybe in another 40 years' time, we'll be discussing space travel to the distant galaxies.